Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to take a quick look at US Well Services Inc., ticker symbol USWS. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes only and is just my opinion. Guys, while you're here, please hit them like and subscribe buttons and help us grow this channel so we can continue to bring content your way. And if you'd like to join our Discord server, it's 100% free and you can find the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. US Well Services Inc. is an oilfield service provider of well stimulation services to the upstream oil and natural gas industry. The company is engaged in high-pressure hydraulic fracturing in unconventional oil and natural gas basins in the United States. The fracturing process consists of pumping a specially formulated fluid into perforated well casing, tubing or open holes under high pressure, causing the underground formation to crack or fracture, allowing nearby hydrocarbons to flow more freely up the wellbore. USWS is one of the cogs in the energy ecosystem. Specifically, the company's electric frac technology decreases emissions and sound pollution while generating certain efficiencies, including customer fuel cost savings compared to traditional diesel fleets. What has become an attraction to traders is the series of recent deals. US Well Services finalized an extension of its electric frac contract with Range Resources earlier this month. Range is a leader in capital efficiency, well costs and reducing emissions intensity thanks to the implementation of advanced technologies like US Well Services electric fracturing fleet, explained Jeff Ventura, Range Resources president and CEO. Following this deal, the company signed a long-term electric frac contract with EQT Corporation. This deal has US Well Services extending its existing contract for one electric frac fleet. The company will also deploy a second fleet on a contracted basis. Both of these contracts represent multi-year fleet deals if all optional extensions are exercised. US Well Services last released its earnings results on November 12, 2020. The reported 28 cents EPS for the quarter, missing the consensus estimate of 12 cents by 16 cents. The firm had revenue of $44.04 million for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $49.75 million. US Well Services has generated $1.72 earnings per share over the last year. US Well Services has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Tuesday, March 2, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 10.47%. Institutional ownership is 46.87%. Two Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for US Well Services in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $1, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 18.20%. The high price target for USWS is $1 and the low price target for USWS is $1. There are currently two hold ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of hold. So if you're looking for certain energy stocks under $5, volatility will certainly be a factor. Keeping this in mind, though this is a cheap, penny stock to buy. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, if you liked the video, please help us grow this channel by hitting the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and take care.